bruise with eyeshadow. I've taken a little bit of primer, any primer will do, and a brush that is flat on top and stiff enough to stipple with. I've taken my palette and I've put in this primer, and I'm just going to go in and grab some eyeshadow. Don't get it in your eye, be gentle around the eye. The beauty of the stipple is that it's wonderfully irregular, just like a bruise. The primer is going to temporarily make this color wet enough to put on the face. I'm using a deep blue, but it has a lot of red pigment in it. Let's grab some purple. Now you can get crazier. I've got a little pink that I'll add in to pop some more red. Not everyone has green and yellow eyeshadow. I would recommend them for stage makeup because you can do so many things with them. But so easily you can start to build bruising on the face. You're bruised and ready.